want to be centered between the solid yellow and the broken white. My adult early drivers hugging the right, hugging the left because they're looking down at the lines. Don't look down at the lines. New tires do make a difference. This ride is so smooth, so chilled, because usually on our fourth drive, we get on the expressway and I don't want to have to change a flat tire. I had to in the past. It sucks, it's dangerous, you can get killed because people will stare at you and drift and hit your car. So if you have a flat tire, I don't recommend trying to change it on the interstate. Try to get off the road, someplace that's protected. Okay, I'm squeezing my brakes, taking my time. Because as a beginner, we have no place to go. You're not getting your job yet. You're not starting college yet. The summer's still here. So we are out just safe driving, learning how to drive, learning how to manage our speed. And if this looks peaceful, it's because it is. Many times you see me come from work, going to work, picking up clients, teaching. This is more relaxed because you work hard for 30 days, 45 days. You need to take a break, mental health. And that is a thing. Cruising at 50, real smooth, easy drive. And contrary to what a lot of you have seen through my videos or other videos, people usually do drive safe. If you think they're dumb, my driving instructor teach adult teens, keeping our space. It's a car length for every 10 miles an hour. So we're at 50, should be 5 car lanes, 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm about 3.5 seconds away, so I want to increase my following. The white, please take my time, and it's not this serious out here. Serious means you're late, you're cutting people off, you're driving reckless. We're not about that lifestyle. All right, keep moving. It's semi-truck. We do not want to mess with them. We want to keep moving. Morning drives are peaceful. They can be. Trying to keep my space. So I'm gonna tailgate this Jeep. Heavy industrial area. You can tell by the semi-trucks. And I'm gonna shout out all our semi-truck drivers. I'm definitely going to be discussing more about truck drivers because they are the backbone to what's going on and moving goods back and forth. And based on the Donald Trump tariffs, a lot of goods are going to increase. It's going to hurt small business just like mine. All right, we want to gradually accelerate, keep good speed, keep good space. There's a Tesla behind me. I'm wondering if they would change. That is so dangerous. And you see me keeping my space. I'm keeping my space because I'm a defensive driver and dare not cut off the semi-truck. So you're learning so many valuable lessons right now. Heavy traffic is what a lot of beginners will see, and it's very confusing. So we're going to keep our space. Instruction here, so we're going to maintain good speed and good space. That car cutting off again. Not this serious out here. You can see them all kind of tailgating to the right, and I will proceed straight. Man, they're just cutting. What the heck is going on? So I'm trying to keep my space. I'm going to squeeze my brakes and use the ball of my foot. That was a pretty decent stop. On your test, you will be evaluated on your effectiveness to control the vehicle. We want to drive with both hands on the wheel. Driving with one hand could lead to potential failure. Lights red up there, no sense of hitting the gas hard. This is where patience comes in. You can see the rear of the tires on the ground. To the left, you can see the double yellow. To the right, a broken line, but there is construction, so they narrowed it down to one lane. And during the summertime, you have construction. We're just trying to wait patiently. We're in no hurry. And when you're taking your driving lesson, learning how to drive, there's so much stimuli, okay? Cars, trucks, people, the car pedestrian, people on the phone, not paying attention, lifting my foot. It's not this serious. I deliberately chose this route because it's going to be stop and go traffic, and I want you to see what this experience is like. I'm a little nervous because we're stuck in the middle of the intersection. And hopefully the light does not change on us. That would be so scary. But thank goodness. And I'm going to gradually pick up. A lot of beginners are very slow off the line. They end up chasing cars. And then we're gradually going to pick up. I was reading one of the comments, and one person said they were driving an expressway, and all of a sudden they ended up rear-ending and hitting a vehicle. So I'm looking ahead as far as I can to see what is going on. I see Caravan in front of me. I see the white Chrysler 300. I see another vehicle in front of them. Let's make a lane change to the right. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm in the lane. Then I'm back. Double check, maintain good speed. And I'm looking straight ahead. Now this car does have a cheat code. It's got brand new tires, new brakes, front end alignment. So it's a lot smoother. It's not as bumpy. And now the minivan is tailgating me. I want to show you this. You'll see how close they are tailgating me. It's like people are so disrespectful. But that's what you're going to see when you're learning how to drive. People are just tailgating you, don't care. But you have to be the better person. And you can see them tailgating. You're going to see them See me on my left in a moment. They go, and you're going to see them coming up on my left in a moment. But people are people. That means we're not going to be disrespectful to them. We're going to continue rising above and living our best life to learn how to drive. In a moment, we're going to be making a right turn on a really narrow night road that I take clients on, and I want you to look at this and understand, why are we here? What is the purpose? Our purpose is to learn how to drive. My purpose is for all of you to watch this video, ask questions, whether live or on the replay. I'll edit it, I'll put music in, I'll put the graphics, and then 100 feet or half a block, we want to turn on our right turn signal. And we're going to turn on our blinker now. Then we're going to make a right turn on this road. This turn is really short. A lot of beginners crash here. They bring too much speed in. I've had students literally knock out the gate. We're going to go and slow it to the curve, take our time, and keep it moving. A lot of beginners bring about 40 miles per hour into the curve, and we literally go off to the right. Let's talk about the pavement markings. We have a double yellow. This means we cannot pass. We have the edge line to the right. We're in North America, right in Australia, India, or the UK, you're on the left. And this is great for driving test prep. We have warning signs of a sharp curve ahead. So we want to reduce our speed so we don't cross the center line. That's what I'm doing now. If you're just joining us, I'm a state certified driving instructor. Just got the vehicle back, new tires, brakes, oil change. Very peaceful drive, relaxed, not bumpy. So we have a broken yellow.